oh God. Anyway, so I've been thinking about making stuffed French toast in the pie iron. And you know what would be even better? Brioche stuffed French toast. But I didn't want to buy an entire loaf of brioche because I would eat an entire loaf of brioche. So I thought of a single serve option of similar texture, but I just get one. It's a concha. Isn't it beautiful? So I think it'll provide that light, airy texture. So let's try it out. Now, as I suspected, it's a little too large. So, I'll take care of those. We're gonna have to make some modifications. There we go. So I think if I just take off, we'll square it up. Let's take off this side. Let's see. Oh, see? That's beautiful. Still a little too big. Let's take a little off of here. Oh no, my pink frosting's falling off. That'll work. Now, no. There we go. Now what to stuff it with, you're asking yourself, or not? Start with that. Oh yeah. And a little peach jam made from our homegrown peaches. Come on, I want a piece like that one. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Stay. Oh, this is very thick. See if we can squish her down. Oh my God. Uh-oh, I'm having a blowout. Maybe if I orient it sideways. Comme ça. Oh, it's still gonna. Oh, get in there, buddy, and squish. Give it a whirl. More like adjacent. There we go. Some coals under there. There we go. see how we're looking. Pretty good. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, so pretty. Oh no, it's oozing. Oh, we should let it rest for a second. Oh yeah. Pretty good to me. All right. All right, give it a taste test. Success. If I changed it at all, I would probably put some butter in the pie iron. Just really crisp up and butter the outside. Not really French toast because I didn't do the egg wash, but I like it, whatever it is. There we go. There's the sunlight. Mm-hmm.